Look at this mushroom. What is this mushroom is? This is coral mushroom. I don't know. This is edible or not. Looks like edible. Coral mushroom. I don't know. This is edible or not. Just to make sure. If you don't know, not sure, don't attempt harvest any mushrooms. I'll pick up this coral mushroom at the forest. So basically I had experience eating coral mushroom in my country at the Korea, but I don't know at the here this coral mushroom is edible or not. So I researched it pretty much, so I'm sure 90% edible, but without tasting by myself I cannot figure out this is really edible or not. So I trying to risk a little bit my life, I think I feel, but my curiosity is strong, more bigger desire to solve this mystery. So I'll let you know this coral mushroom is edible or not. Alright. Maybe somebody can say this is stupid to try out or risk my life, but this is human desire to discover things and find out what is good for us. Alright, let's find out. I put this coral mushroom in the salt water around 1 hour, and I will try to cook butter, garlic, saute. I'm gonna try this amount of mushroom. Please do not attempt if you don't know any mushroom. Alright, if not sure, don't try and attempt, but I gonna try, so I will let you know. Garlic, butter, bacon, onion, and salt and pepper. Looks yummy, but who knows? Looks yummy. Let me try. Alright, now time to try coral mushroom. I never ate first time in here. Tastes good. Tastes delicious. But let me find out now, couple hours later, what's my stomach reaction doing. Alright. Tastes beautiful. Tastes good. Good texture
But can you
and
taste the
delicious.
mushroom?
Yeah.
Feeling okay?
Very delicious. So far.
So far.
But who knows? So coral mushroom, which I ate yesterday, it's alright. Looks like no any of symptoms comes out. Just delicious. So I'll try today again. Alright, coral mushroom. Delicious.
You have to do everything? No. Wait, everything? 8 to 1 to 30?